Are you a man? Are you a woman who has been trying to get rich? Have you been trying to level up your financial status? In this video, I'm going to be giving you 6 different tips on how to get rich and how to manage your income. Do not swipe this video. Watch this video to the end. Let's go. If you're just meeting me for the first time, my name is V Stones. You're welcome to my channel, and in this video I'll be giving you 6 different tips on how to get rich and manage your income. So number 1 would be you need to start saving early. For you to get rich, you need to start saving. Like, you need to have a saving plan for yourself. Do you understand? Not every money that comes to you, you would like to embezzle, you would like to squander. If you are spending some, yes, you should be at least saving 20-30%. You shouldn't be eating everything. You understand? To begin your journey of becoming a millionaire or a billionaire, start saving early in life. Building your savings gradually allows you to take advantage of the incredible power of compounding over the years. Compounding means you earn interest on your interest by reinvesting your capital or your interest. You understand? In other words, when you get your profit from what you've invested, it is very, very advisable for you not to eat your profit, like not to eat everything. You should also reinvest that profit you got. So that's just the meaning. Number 2 is avoid unnecessary spending and debt. Avoid unnecessary spending. You shouldn't eat every money that comes to you. You will understand? You should learn to manage your incomes. Avoid unnecessary spending and don't take debt. This is one of the things that really affects so many young people these days. Like, they take debt from here and there. It's really, really going to affect you. Okay, by the way, let's ask ourselves this question. Why are you taking the debt? Why are you going to a bank to apply for a loan? Is this something you really need? Are you trying to get it? Are you trying to get the loan to get what you really need? That thing you want to get the loan for, is it what you really need? You really need to ask yourself that question. Am I spending money simply for entertainment or trying to impress others? These are questions you should ask yourself when you're trying to get a loan or when you're trying to in-debt yourself. You should ask yourself these questions. Do I have something similar already? For example, you want to get a loan, you want to get something with it. So you need to ask yourself, that thing you want to get, do I have it already? If you already have it already, there's no need for you to get that loan, because it's going to put you in debt, and it's really, really going to affect you. And the last, do I want this more than I want to become a millionaire? That thing you want to get the loan for, is it more important than you being a millionaire? You really need to ask yourself these key factors, these key questions, do you understand, before you can go for that stuff, for that loan you're trying to get. And number 3 is save 15% of your income. I've said this before. You need to save. Not every money that comes to you should go out immediately. If you are getting 100,000 naira, if you're getting 50,000 naira, you need to save at least 10-15% of that money every month, especially for those who are salary owners. If you're getting 50,000 naira in a month, you need to save nothing less than 15,000 or 10,000 every single month. This will really, really, really help you so much more. So at number 4, we have make more money. Yes, you need to make more money. In other words, making more money is easier said than done. But if you don't earn enough to save 15% of your income, it will be challenging to be a millionaire. In other words, you need to save money. Save money. Save money. Don't squander all your money. This will really help you to be a millionaire. You do have a few options available for you, including ask for a pay increase. You can ask your boss to pay you, like to add some extra cash on your salary if you think it's a due one. If you really think maybe you deserve it, you can ask your boss, please, can you just increase my salary for me, even if it's 5%, if it's 6%, that will really help you save more money. Work extra hours. If you are the type that you get paid for extra hours in your working place, you can work extra hours to get more money. Get a second job. You shouldn't relax on getting just one job. Do things. Involve yourself in different kind of jobs that will give you money. That's for number 4, make more money. So at number 5, we have don't give in to lifestyle inflation. Don't give in for lifestyle inflation. There are so many people who are easily moved by luxury things. You don't have the money, but you want to get luxury things. How? In other words, you are going to use 100% or 90% of your salary to make sure you get those luxury things. You are a salary earner, for crying out loud. You really need to work on that. You understand? I'm not saying getting luxury things aren't good. They are very good, 100% good. But once you're using 90% of your salary to get those luxury things, my brother, my sister, you're doing yourself no good. So don't give in to lifestyle inflation. So at number 6, last but not the least, get help if you need it. If you need help, ask people for help. If you know people that are going to help you, ask them for help. Always ask for help when you're in need of things. Alright? This is going to help you maximize your savings and other things. It's going to cut short how you spend your money. It's going to help you manage your profits. It's going to help you in so many ways. Ask help. Allow people help you. Alright? So thank you. That comes to the end of this video. So that will be all for now. I will be seeing you in my next video. Kindly like this video, place a nice comment and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.